So most commonly used device, that is a switch and router, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have completed about the routers, how router work. A
Hmm.
router is is working with the there is of layer 3 device. Router is a layer 3 device. Layer 3
Router layer
means
2.
it is uh, it is
Network.
is understanding the IP address only. Okay.
Yes.
When we talk about the switch, it work under the layer 2. It understand the MAC address only. Okay. Media access control address. Media access MAC address is nothing but it's a serial number, we can say. Like every technical device is having a one particular MAC address, right?
Yes, sir.
MAC address is unique also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how does it work? Like router is maintaining the routing table, the switch is maintaining the MAC address table. Okay.
Okay.
Let's suppose there is one switch. Okay. Switch is why this is not just a minute. Let me
Yes, sir.
see. Okay, leave it. When we talk about the switch, switch is maintaining the MAC address, like how this PC, the MAC address is a one, this PC MAC address is a two, three, four. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all the pieces are connected with this switch. The port number one with one. Port number two is connected with the laptop two. Port number three is connected. Port number four is also connected. Okay, so make address table. Port one, like fastnet 0 by 1. This is a fastnet 0 by 1. Let's suppose here it will maintain, in switch will maintain, okay, with my interface fastnet 0 by 1, 0 by 1. There is one Indie device connected. There is one device connected. The device MAC address or device serial number is 0001. Like it is completely this one. Okay. So this is the
Okay,
complete
sir.
one. In the same way, with connected with the with interface port number two, that is the 00002, like 00003 and 00004. Like that, it will maintain. The this make address table is by default available for the 500 second. 500 second means sorry, 3000 second means 5 minutes you can say. Okay, 5 minutes it is available. If there is no communication from this router to this device to this device or any to any, okay, if there is no communication is happen, what switch will do by default? By default, switch will remove their address from the MAC address table. This 5 minutes we can increase, we can decrease also. Okay. So
Okay.
how does it work? Manageable how types of switch, like manageable switch and unmanageable switch. Okay. Manageable switch means in manageable switch, we can bring the switch. We'll get some console cable. By using the console cable, we can take the console of the device and we can configure that particular device. Okay. On a manageable switch, an address can be assigned and configured can be made. It has been console port. Means we can assign an IP address and a VLAN. We can create a VLAN and other features of the switches. But when we talk about the unmanageable switch, on a unmanageable switch, configuration cannot be made. On IP address cannot be assigned as there IP no console port. So when you talk about the unmanageable switch, the switch will come without a console port. Means you cannot take the console of the particular device. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Switch category is like campus is a lane network supporting large building or multiple building close to the specific area. Cisco use their terms to describe like access layer switch, distribution layer, and the core layer. So access layer
Okay.
switch we're using just to connect the like devices. Okay. After that, we can bring a distribution level of switch. Okay, to maintain multiple switches. Okay, because the hardware configuration will be higher of the distribution switch. Access, okay, and the core layer switch, we are bringing the core layer switch in the picture. That is a more higher hardware configuration as compared to the distribution layer. Okay, so based
Okay.
on hardware and the throughputs are very high of the core layer and the distribution layer as compared to the access layer. access them. Like our how our network works. Router, then switch. This is, let's suppose this is a core switch, and core switch are connected with the distribution switch. Distribution switch are supposed with a multiple access layer switch. Okay,
Access
so
layer.
all
Okay,
that
sir.
this distribution will handle all the access layer switches, and this core switches is handling with this distribution layer switch. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so like that, based on their hardware configuration, this is categorized with the access layer, distribution layer, the core layer. The same router is also categorized in the same way. Okay, like
Okay.
this, core layer is a core layer, then distribution layer, then the access layer. Okay, PCs are connected with the access
Okay.
layers, and these switches are, you know, connected with HA,
Distribution.
with the distribution layer, and the distribution layer are connected with the core layer. Okay, so generally we can get in the core layer, and this distribution layer will become, not only do the routing, it will do the routing and switching as well. Okay, so we can call as a
Okay.
multi-layer switch. Okay, because they are having a capability to handle the IP layer 3 and the layer 2 address as well. Okay. So now
Okay, sir.
hierarchy, like there is some model like router access layer 19.2.9.2.9.6.0. These are the access layer of switches. Distribution layer
Okay.
switches are 3.5.5.0, 3.5.5.6, and 4,000, 5,500. These are the model. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and core layer is 65,000 plus. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so what hub? To know about the switch, you need to know about the hub also, because hub is a
Yes.
successor of switch is a successor of hub. Okay, so hub was before switch. In networking, we used hub to connect multiple devices. Hub is nothing but like we are having a power socket in our home, right? Where we can
Yes.
connect multiple charger, multiple things. We can connect TV and many more things we can connect and we can on, right? The same
Yes,
way,
sir.
hub was there. In hub, there is a multiple ports are there. Okay. In every port, devices are connected. Let's suppose port one user want to connect with the port two. Okay. They want to send some message or whatever the data. So it will do the broadcasting. Okay. Hub was doing the always broadcasting. So it is a dummy device. Switch was no, hub was a dummy device. There is no technology to handle the media access control, means make address table, no memory, and it is always do the broadcasting of the data. Okay, there was no
Okay.
memory to handle the make address. It gets the data from one port, regenerate the data, and send the data to all the ports.
All
Means
ports.
means it is doing the broadcasting. It is receiving packet from anyone, and it is sending packet to all the connected users. Okay, also called as a multi-port repeater. It's and before hub we used repeater. Re- Hub is a successor of repeater. Switch is a successor of what? Hub. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So this is the
Okay.
earlier we use repeater, then repeater has been replaced by hub. Hub has been replaced by the switch. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, how does leave it this about the hub? What is the hub and like how it is work actually? So we have to understand this. What is CSMA? CSMA is a carrier sense multiple access. Okay. So, in generally, there was data loss in the hub because there is no this kind of mechanism available. So, CSMA technology is using whenever let's suppose with this is the port one, and one user is connected with this, and if this user wanted to reach to the port number three user, okay, so packet has been generated by the PC, okay, packet generated, it's sent to the port, okay, port number one. Port number one will keep this packet. Port number one will first check the path where the packet wanted to go. Is it free or there is traffic? Okay. Like whenever we are
Okay.
moving somewhere, we are checking right when we are in some connecting path and we are just entering to the highway. Before entering, we are checking left and right, that any
Yes,
car
sir.
or anything is coming or not, like that. If there is if the path is free, then it release the packet towards that path. if the path is not free, then it will keep hold to the packet. Once the path is free, then it will release the packet and it will send the packet to the destination by using CSMA. So that is the reason in the switch, our data loss will be a 0%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In hub, let's suppose there is no kind there is nothing kind of mechanism where they can check the path is free or occupied by already. Okay, so it is blindly receiving and sending. So let's suppose their data is going like this and data is coming like this. So definitely there is a fluctuation will be happen. So that's the reason cable is burned and the device has been burned like that. Earlier we faced many and when we're using the switch. But after when we use the hub, but there is nothing like that in the switch. Okay, if there is a
Okay.
heavy power fluctuation happen, that time the completely switch will be down, or but not the port. Okay,
Okay.
first system looks for the carriers whether it is free or not. The same thing which I described you now. What is collision? Collision is nothing but it is a kind of accident of data. Okay, same path coming at the same time. Okay, there is a single path. Let's suppose there is a multiple way. Okay, multiple way,
Okay.
then it is fine. But there is nothing like a multiple way, single way only. And from the both the way, the data is coming, and there isn't collision will be happen, right? So
Okay.
after CSMA, it is not. The data loss is completely 0%. Okay, so you can read
Okay, sir.
this. I will share this. Okay, I will share this
Okay, sir.
document. So in switches, we will get a multiple, like in the switches system with the 8-port switch, 16, 24, and
32.
64, 128. I think 32, as of now, I have never seen. It might
Okay,
become or
sir.
not. I'm not sure about that. Okay. 8,
Okay,
16,
sir.
24, 64, 128. Many ports will come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So generally, in access layer switch, we are prefer to go with the 64 or 128. Okay. So this
Okay,
kind
sir.
of this is the back side and the front side will get this power in a SMPS. Okay, like that we can get. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is the switch where our devices are connecting. Like here, we can connect the printer, we can connect the access point, we can connect our IoT devices. Okay, we can connect our PC, we can connect our laptop, whatever that device where we are having a LAN port, where we can connect, where we can use this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and switch port interface. Switch ports interface switch port interface for data transfer. In switch, all the ports are called interface. Okay, so
Okay.
so whatever the ports are there, they are called as an interface. Okay, interface
Okay,
one,
sir.
2, 3, 4, like that. So lines for switch management. Physical lines exist on the router. That is nothing but is a console. Logical lines means VTY, means when you're taking a console of this device to manage this, right? The console port
Oh,
will come, and when
yes.
you're connected with your laptop and you're taking the console of this device by using a PuTTY application.
Yes.
So this is called as a line management, line interface. Like this
Okay.
kind of interface you'll get it. Okay,
Console.
this
Yeah.
kind of
Okay, sir.
interface will come for the manage. Okay,
Okay.
this is you're able to see this console.
No, sir.
This is a console. This is a console. You'll get
Okay,
this
sir.
kind of console port. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is now console. The zero means zero is nothing. Means one console port where you can physically connect with your switch by using the laptop, and you can take the console of your switch and you can configure. When you are out of once network is configured and working fine, and whenever you are inside network or outside of the network, okay, either your home or in the office, if you want to access this device by using by using the VTY. Okay, what is VTY? That I will show you in we'll have a separate class for that. Okay, we
Okay,
need
sir.
to access we can access, we don't need to come again and again near to switch and connect physically, and anywhere in the network we can connect, and we can take by using the PuTTY we can just need to uh, uh, you can just put the IP of the switch management IP of the switch, and we can take the console from anywhere in the office, or when you are out of the office, you need to connect by the VPN. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have a line VTY in the console for this both. We have one separate class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So every port is having a different of speed. Okay. Like Ethernet is having a 10 Mbps speed. Okay. When after Ethernet introduced by the fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet is having a speed of 100 Mbps to receive and send the packet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And when you talk about the fast Ethernet, after fast Ethernet, there
Ethernet.
is one more port is being introduced in the market, that is the gigabit. Gigabit speed is having a 1 Gbps. Okay. And after
Okay.
that, there is a known 10 gig. 10 gig means 10 Gbps.
Ten
Speed of 10
gigabits.
Gbps, they can send the packet and they can receive the packet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, LAN virtual VLAN. So before going on the VLAN is a different thing. Okay. What is that? How switch work? Let me explain you. This is a switch. Okay. And the port number one, port number two, port number three, port number four, port number five, port number six, port number seven, and many and so on. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. These are the console, and these are the some management ports. And these are the SMPS. Okay. Like this switch is there. Let's suppose one
Okay.
PC is connected here with the port number one. One more PC is connected with the two, three, four, five, six, seven, like that. It is connected. So here, once you're connected with the PC, and first time you connected this PC with this, the MAC address of this PC is A with the IP address 10.0.0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
B is the MAC address of this PC, C, D, E, F. Let's suppose whatever that MAC address is there, how it works. Okay. So this PC wanted to send first time communication. So with this
Okay.
10.2, okay, with the MAC address of this 10.2. So how it will be? The packet will be like this. Source IP 10.0.0.1, destination IP 10.0.0.2, source MAC, is the A, destination MAC. First time
B.
switch don't know where is the destination MAC address.
Okay.
So it will become a question mark, or it will be broadcasting. Okay, 255.255.255 like broadcasting it will use. Okay. Then source port and the destination port. So these many details will be under the one packet. Okay. Once this packet has been released by the PC, is from the PC to the switch. Switch will receive and switch will open this. This is a source IP and destination IP. This is a layer 3 address. This is a layer 3 address, right?
Yes.
Source make and destination make. This is a layer 2 address. Source
Okay.
port and destination port. This is the layer 4 address. Okay. Port number is
Okay.
comes under the layer 4. So switch cannot touch this one. Okay. This is your this is called as a segment. Okay. So this will not touch. The switch is always read this one, the second layer. Okay. This address only. By learning the source MAC address and the destination MAC address, how the switch will maintain the and maintain the switching that MAC address table, and how it is started the communication. So this is the MAC address, MAC table, port number one. Okay, what is the host name? Okay, it received the request from the port number one. Okay, switch will maintain.
Okay.
There is one PC which is connected with the port number one. The MAC address of the PC is A. Okay. What is the destination? It will check the packet of this one. Destination MAC address. Where is the destination? It is a 255.25 means they don't know the destination is unknown now. So how switch will do the first time? Switch will broadcast the first time. Switch will send packet to this one. Every connected device it will send the packet. So what is the MAC address? Let's suppose the B. Okay. What is the how they will how they will know? Okay. So it will come to every PC. Who will reply this PC? Okay, C has received this packet. Okay, C will check. I'm not that. I don't have a. I'm not a B. So I need to don't reply this. Don't reply of this request. No one can reply this. They will receive the packet and they will keep silent. Okay, because they are not that one. Okay, so now this PC will only reply because the MAC address of B and the IP address of this is the 10.2. So who is 10.2? So this is the 10.2 and the MAC address with B. So okay, I'm a PC with the port number with the IP address 2 and my MAC address is B. The request reply will come to the PC. Again, PC what PC will do? Port number 2. We have a one PC that MAC address is B. Make it as the B of this PC. Okay. So like this, it will maintain what? It
Packet.
will maintain the MAC address table. Okay.
Okay.
So next time again, only for the one first time they do the broadcasting. Later they do unicast. Again, if the PC1 wanted to reach the PC2, this time switch will receive the packet and switch will check the MAC table. MAC table, okay, it is coming from A and it want to go with the B. So it will simply send to the port number this one. Okay. This
Okay.
is the way how switch is working actually. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So that's it for today. Will if you are fine, if you are able to digest, I can continue the another things like VLAN and other concept of the switch.
This is
Can we
okay.
continue?
Okay, sir. We will connect tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Okay. So no problem. So tomorrow we can see how the switch and VLANs is working, inter VLAN routing and other things we can cover tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.